Hello guys, let's register for EB Managed Payments. You will find this notification on the payment section. This process consists of 4 steps: connecting Payoneer account, sync eBay and Payoneer profiles, enter credit or debit card, submit registration information. Click on Get Started. I have an individual account, so I'm gonna continue without any changes. Just sign into an Payoneer account if you have, and if not, create new account with the same details. I recommend you to create a Payoneer account before starting this process. Follow the link in the description and earn $50 free when creating a Payoneer account. Now we have to add the credit or debit card in a situation we have an outstanding amount onto eBay. You can edit the billing address from here if necessary. Then continue. Finally, submit request. That is the final step of this process. You will find an email and a message regarding this activity. So that's all for today. Stay awesome guys.